Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Trading with Richie Rich. This channel is all about bringing financial freedom to your doorsteps. Yes, I said that right. Bringing financial freedom to yourself. We'll slowly learn how to do it and what would be the most accurate procedure to literally print money every time you trade with absolute no losses. So let's start from the basics. How we'll be doing it and what will be the procedures of it. First of all, you must have heard about trading indicators. I have been in trading for like 4 years, and day by day I tackled myself with every new indicator I could find. But there was a very specific problem in every indicator. There were very misconceptions. You can say like there were not much of accuracy in every indicator that I could find. So let's start from what is an indicator. What is an indicator? An indicator is basically nothing. It's just a technical analysis factor that helps you predict future prices movement. So if you see in layman terms, if you see a black cloud on a sunny day with a little bit of wind and everything, so you will obviously guess that rainfall is coming. So basically technical indicators are something that help you to predict the future prices in financial market. How this prediction does? There are many indicators which you can check: CPI, MA, moving averages. I hope everybody in trading has come to know about it by now. These are very basic indicators, but they lack very much of accuracy. You cannot find a very accurate indicator that you can simply rely on. That is why after 4 years of trading, I built myself two indicators totally of mine: Scalp Cord and Extreme Top and Bottom Finder. Scalp Cord. What is Scalp Cord? Scalp Cord is basically an indicator that helps you find the very bottoms for scalping. So suppose, let's say this is a Bitcoin perpetual futures contract. This means you can trade with leverage here. And let me tell you that if you start trading with the process with a consistency, then you can literally make 1342% ROI with basically target pricing 1% profit on each trade with a leverage of 10x. What is leverage? I'll explain you in my coming videos. Most of you would not know, but most of you that would be trading Bitcoin futures or any other futures would know about the term leverage. So literally, if you put $100 every time, you put $100, you target price 1%, and then you use a leverage of 10x, then your profit would be 10x. First time you do this, your profit would be $10. That means your final balance would be 110. Reinvest this 110 and then just target price 1%, and then your profit will be $11. Slowly and steadily, you'll see in a month how your portfolio would grow. From $100, if you just target priced 1% every time with a leverage of 10x, you would have a profit of 10% each day. A profit of 10% each day on your balance means from $100 you can reach to $1,442 in a month. This means if your investment was $100, your final balance would be $1,442. This means your profit percentage or your ROI would be something nearly about 1,300% in a month. What happens if you start from $200? If you start from $200, then your profit would basically be double. You'd be target pricing nearly $3,000 or $2,900 in a month. From $200 to nearly $3,000 in a month. So basically, I'd say start from a small amount if you would want to test it, or you can just start from high leverage, high amount. Okay, sorry for the term high leverage. You should definitely never use high leverage. At max, you should use 10x to 20x leverage. That is far more than enough. Scalp Cord. Scalp Cord is a trading indicator which calculates price deviations. It is a very accurate indicator with an accuracy percentage of nearly 1000%. Yes, I can say that 1000% because I have tried it and I have flipped from $100 to nearly $6,000 in 2 months. That was why my personal high, and from that I reached the Binance top leaderboard. I'll share more about it on Instagram soon, so you'll learn more about it there. This is the Bitcoin future chart. We are trading 15 minutes chart because for scalping it is the best. Let's say how somebody would ask me, sir, what is this scalp card and how to use it? Scalp card is nothing. All you need to focus is, as soon as the price, this 20 level, this 20 mark level is the oversold level. As soon as the price dips below, as soon as the indicator dips below this 20x level, all you need is to simply put a long. Is you simply put a long, or you should simply buy and just target price nearly 1%, which would be very very easy. See, nearly how much did it did? It did 2% from here. Every time you do this, you basically print money in every conditions, whether be it bearish, be it bullish. All you need is to print money. Every time I'll explain you how. Every time this indicator dips below the oversold level, just long that coin or any stocks or anything and target price 1 to 2% on 15-minute chart, because for 15 minutes chart scalping for 1% is far more than enough. Let's go a little bit back because there were no trading calls here. Let's go a little bit back right here. Price goes below the oversold level or nearly the oversold level, simply put a long, and then here is your profit. In just 15, it always takes just 15 to 30 minutes to book 1%. It always takes 15 to 30 minutes to book 1%. All you need to have is consistency and a little bit see how the market is reacting right now. Like if it's very very bearish in sometimes, so you need to just wait a little bit, because sometimes no trading is also not is also a very good trading. As soon as the price dips below the level, see 19, the price the indicator is approximately 19.66 here. Just simply put our long trade and then you target price this much easily in 15 to 30 minutes. This is a 15-minute candlestick and this is another 15-minute candlestick. So the total price that went up from here was approximately 4%. And just imagine if you would have booked 4% here. 4% with 10x leverage is 40% profit. With 40% profit alone, it was $140 in just one trade. Most of the times it goes to 3 to 4%, but for consistency, if you keep on target pricing 1% every time, because being greedy will make you lose. So if you have a consistency and have a plan to just profit 1% of each trade with a leverage of 10x, then slowly and steadily you can watch your portfolio grow from this to this. You don't need any coins to hold, you don't need anything to hold, and just simply flip and make nearly $1,500 in a month from $100. I'll show you more examples on how to do it. Let's go a little back over here. Price goes on dipping. Our indicator doesn't say too long right now. Indicator said too long right now. So after this candle, just place a long and forget for 1 to 2%. You see, price went nearly 5% up from here. In a single day, you could have booked like nearly 100% profit on your portfolio if you were having this indicator. It is very very simple. It is very very simple to just casually use it. Now, sometimes let's see when the market becomes very very bearish, like the prices of everything were literally crashing the day before yesterday on 22nd of September 2021. It was literally crashing, but still our indicator didn't say to long here. It neither said to long here, neither here. It said to long here because the indicator value dipped below 19 here, and just simply place a long over here and then you casually target price 1%. Again you do the same, long here, simply casually target price 1%. Again you do the same, just wait and simply casually place a long over here and casually target price 1% from here. In a single day you could make approximately, if you follow a plan, if you make a certain plan, if you be in contact with me and you just have focus and consistency, trading is not a very big deal. I have been 4 years, I have learned such a lot, and I have come to a conclusion of this, that scalp card will help make everybody financially free. This was everything about scalp cord. Now let's see about extreme top and bottom finder. Extreme top and bottom finder is when the market becomes extremely bearish, or when sometimes there is a very heavy bearish selling, but that is not actually bearish selling because bulls are in contact. So our extreme top and bottom finder would basically say to long over here. Like here it was extreme selling because everybody was just shorting and shorting and shorting, but our indicator went making lows over here. You can see the low being made over here. I'll show you. The first low was made over here in the scalp cord, and again you can see another low being made over here. So it was definitely a long over here. It was a very good long over here. You could have simply longed here and just waited for target pricing. This is very basic. Even if you are a new buyer, I definitely recommend to at least test it out, because you don't need much of a knowledge to trade in this. All you need is patience, focus, and everything. Extreme top and bottom finder. You can see this price dipping and dipping. Scalp cord set to long here, extreme top and bottom set to long here, and this was the bottom before a very heavy price move up. So if you would have simply longed here and forget, which I don't say, but you could usually try, it was a 10% trade. It was a 10 to 11% trade in less than 2 days. So with a 10x of leverage, you could have made like 100% profit in 2 days, simply longing. Now this was everything about scalps. Let's see how, if you are a investor, if you are looking for a coin to invest in to profit from a spot trade, we'll switch to 4-hour chart. Everything I told you about in the 15-minute scalp, everything is applicable over here also. Everything. Scalp cord is also very sufficient in telling tops. Very sufficient. As soon as it goes over above the overbought level, you simply see this was that final top before dumping like nearly 20 to 30% over here. Yes, it nearly went from 52,000 to a fall of 19% at 39,477.04. That was the low, and that was the top for a short because our indicator said to short. But basically, if you could focus on scalping and just longing, you could also try shorting. But if you could just make from longs, then you forget about shorting, because it is much easier to buy and to sell than to short and to then wait for the price to fall down. Everything I explained about in 15 minutes chart is same applicable for here. Price goes below the 20 mark level here, you start spot buying. Please note that this 4-hour chart is applicable only for spot if you want to play in spot or with very low leverage, because this takes time to develop. These candlesticks take 4 hours of a time to develop in one. So you would not have to go leverage long heavy here. Like you could go 10% 10x long here, but I would not recommend it on a 4-hour chart unless and until you are very sure. Like here, if you went spot also, then also you could have made 10 to 12% easily. Let's say more about here. 4-hour chart. Scalp cord and extreme top and bottom tipped very low. Very low. And then we made approximately 40% just by holding for a month. So if you are an investor that's looking for long term, I highly recommend it. It's very awesome to find a coin or find a stock or find anything to long at the bottom and target price at the top on a 4-hour chart. Everything is basically so simple that even a layman could understand it. These levels marked here are oversold and overbought levels. Same here, oversold and overbought levels. All you need is to wait for the price to dip to the oversold levels to buy. The big move that was coming. Our extreme top and bottom finder went to our extreme bottom, and then we didn't have a single price action down. We only went up to 60 to 70%. We only went up 60 to 70% from $29,721. We went to $50,000, 50 to $50,000. If you are interested not in crypto markets, and if you say that, bro, I only trade stock markets, don't worry, I got you covered. We got you covered. This indicator works in any financial market that you can find. Yes, you can basically apply every same thing for crypto to a stock market. Let's start from Tata Motors. This is a 15-minute chart for Tata Motors, and many would say to long here it's bottom, but the actual bottom was meant here. How did we catch the absolute bottom? Just looking at our indicators. Simply place a long call over here, or simply place a buy, and then just target price. It's as simple as it could be. And nothing can be as simpler than this one. This is a example from an Indian stock market. So if you say that, bro, it will work in Indian stock market, but how do you bet it will work in every stock market? Let's have Tesla stock. I hope everybody has heard about Tesla by now. Just see the beauty of it. Our bottom was made over here, and our bottom was made again over here, and then what did it do? It just went up. These 5% trades or 1% trades, these are actually good in stock markets. They don't have leverage, or you can either trade on them with leverage also, but these are very, very good trade. So if you are in stock market, I highly recommend this to check this out. Any stock you say, this is going to work in every stock that you can say. You see, Tesla was getting highly oversold here. So our indicator first said to long in these levels. So even if you had long in these levels, it was an easy target price of 1% over here also. And then it just went on. So this was definitely your buying range. This was all your buying range. This whole region, I'll show you. This whole region from where our indicator started to shouting bottom. This was extreme selling because of some reasons of China's Evergrande reason. This was all a buy zone. So if you would have simply bought in this buy zone and just have waited, this was your reward. The risk reward on this setup is basically very, very insane in layman terms. It's very, very insane. I hope you guys like it, because I have put really a lot of time in developing this. On a 4-hour chart, let's say for a crypto, currently many of you trading crypto would have heard about Solana. So let's say what our indicator has to say about Solana. Oh, what a beauty. Price is making absolute bottoms over here. This is a 4-hour, this is a 15-minute chart. I'll replace it with 4-hour chart. If you are an institutional investor, or even if you are an investor, let's see. This was basically the boom of Solana. Oh, again, what a beauty. 4-hour chart, tips below. Place a long call and just target price 20%. As easy as it could be. From here. 4-hour chart, tips below. And then this is your easy target price of 20% again. If you don't want to be an investor, if you want to be a scalper, we got you covered again. 15-minute chart. Price makes lows and an indicator closes. This is your buy level. Simply place a buy and target price 1 to 2%, whatever in whichever percentage of profit you are satisfactory. Basically, with leverage you can make more than 2000. I am betting you can make more than $2,000 in a month. If even if you are a new buy, all you need is this setup. All you need is to focus, and all you need is some patience, and all you need is a little bit of knowledge. Hope you guys liked it. See you soon. Definitely DM me to learn more. I'll drop my Telegram username in the description below, and you guys must reach me out on how to get access to this. Let me know more, let me know in the comments, and let me know if you have any thoughts or any questions about it, and I'm happy to answer all of you guys. Thank you, love you.